AI becomes a bigger part of onboarding and transaction monitoring, how do you see the broker finding the right place between, or the right balance between moving fast with innovation and still keeping tight oversight and compliance? How we could make this balance between the compliance and innovation from the broker perspective?
Our trend is the tagline we use is turn compliance into an advantage. So with the tools that we suggest the brokers to use, and starting, for example, from NFC ID scanning for onboarding, the NFC in combination with a liveness test, because when you're scanning an ID with NFC, you get a high-resolution photo, which is impossible to get from a normal document. So you extract that high resolution and performing the right deep fakes on the liveness test and everything using AI, you can confirm that the person is genuine, and you can automatically extract all the information that you have on the NFC and onboard the client fast. So this is one very good example of turning compliance into an advantage. Fast onboarding is an advantage, a very big advantage for a brokerage company. Now, another aspect, for example, that we're touching is the AI analysis of voice calls. That's a pain for regulated companies. Why? When it comes to compliance, brokers hire different people to monitor calls in different languages. But with AI and with the right tool in place, you can have a much more precise and a trusted tool that can automatically monitor all calls, and they can flag when someone is talking with the customer from the company, call it a sales call, a retention call, a customer service call, whatever call, it will flag where the conversation had compliance issues, where the agent tried to give investment advice, for example, which is prohibited, or where the agent was pushy, which is again prohibited, or saying something which is not should not be said. Plus, with all the other benefits that come, so that's another example of turning compliance to an advantage, as I said. Getting all this information, the insights from a call, to benchmark the performance of your team and rate the customer as well, of how much is really affording to become your customer, how much risk they can take, and how positive or negative they are to become your customer. And in combination with all the other information that you collect during the client onboarding, to create a real strong and solid profile of your customer within the CRM platform. Well, yeah.